What's up, guys? We just installed the Velit Under bench air conditioner, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Just want to take a little time and show you what it's like, give you a little review. So let's hop in the van. So we didn't really want to take down the headliner and do all this. She was interested in this under bench AC, which I think is pretty new. So we gave it a go, and it's pretty sweet. We like it a lot, probably right off the bat. The big things are it's way quieter than we thought. We were really worried that we'd get that noise from the ACs that are up on top of the roof that are pretty loud, and this really doesn't have it. So that's nice. It's basically a big foam box, and I think that's what really does it. But yeah, in terms of install, you have to really just cut out two 6-inch holes. One of them I believe is exhaust, and the other one I believe is an inlet. So it has two inlets. I reckon one is that grate right down there. And then yeah, you can strap it down. It comes with some straps. So fairly easy install. And then after that, you just run your hoses up. Comes with these nice little vents. You get two vents that come with this thing. But yeah, you could easily add more if you wish. Control panel. Got some buttons on here. Don't tell, well, still trying to figure out which one all of them are. Got change your temperature here. The beep is really loud, so don't love it. I don't know why it's so loud. But let's crank it up. Whoa. There we go. So that's our full blast mode there. You can hear it. Not too bad. It's a little hum. I think it will definitely put you to sleep. So yeah, one of the weird things about this is that the wire for the control panel comes out from underneath the Velit unit. It has kind of a cutout for it, but yeah, it's a little strange that you like pull it out from underneath. I don't know why it's not off of the front of it or somewhere else. Similarly, makes a little more sense, but the what am I thinking of? What the? Oh, the drip, condensation drip. That comes out of the bottom as well. They send you one little L, and you connect them, cut the hose, connect it out the bottom of the van. So, yeah, it works really well. Does have a lot of condensation. Whatever, it's a humid day in Austin. But yeah, overall, great unit. A lot of little quirky things about it, but it really blew us away. No pun intended. We love it a lot. Well, I think we'll use it again. Yeah, recommend it. That's it. What else? See ya.